Hi, I'm Rachel Vitullo and welcome to How To Hair. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a 4-pony hair up. To see how to prep for this look, head on over to my textured wave tutorial. Shut up! Shut up. Alright. We're going to take our first section around the crown area and we're going to use our wide tooth comb and just create a little bit of back combing for expansion. Using the I Want Body Volume Powder is going to give the hair a really gritty, matte texture. Our first ponytail that we're going to take is right at that recession area. So sectioning that area away. I'm holding my hand in a V and just molding the hair into place. Using a clear elastic, we just want to tie that off. Taking a small section of hair, using our flexible hold hairspray, spraying it all the way to the tip, and we're just going to wrap that around the elastic. Once the hair's wrapped around the elastic, we just want to secure that hair with a bobby pin. Taking our next section for our second ponytail. What we're going to do is take the section of hair right on that earlobe. Once again, using my fingers to rake the hair back into position and still holding my hand in a V. We don't want the tension on this second ponytail to be too tight, so then we get that nice flow into the ponytail. Our next step is going to be creating our third ponytail, but what we're going to do with this step is a little bit different. So we're going to take the hair from our first ponytail, splitting it in half and laying either side over our second ponytail. Taking our second ponytail and just moving it to the side. We're going to grab the hair at the nape of the neck and secure that in. Once our third ponytail is secure, we just want to expand this loop here. To give that really nice teardrop shape. And our fourth ponytail is going to be right at the base of the neck. Once that ponytail is secure, you also want to expand that teardrop shape. This elastic in here is also going to be exposed, so you want to make sure that you hide that too. Spraying with your flexible hairspray, and you're going to wrap the hair around the elastic. To secure this strand of hair, if you turn the ponytail around, we're working with the underneath section here. If you grab your bobby pin and you can just slide that into the base of the ponytail, and you'll hide exactly where that pin is as it lays flat onto the back. I'm just going to create a little bit more expansion with the ends of our ponytail. So once again, taking our wide tooth comb, where the grooves are in that ponytail, you want to push your comb right into there and lift up. What that's doing is creating a gentle back comb and a gentle support, so any expansion you put in your ponytail is going to hold. Using your flexible hairspray, you want to give the entire look just a light spray to set. Once you've set the back section of this hair up, what you want to do is just move your model around towards you, check the balance, and just make sure that we have the same amount of expansion all the way through. And also, for a little added texture, you can come through around the face area, just massage that hairline area really softly and just let the little wispy hairs come through. And there you have it, the 4 pony hair up. If there's anything in particular that you'd like to see, make sure you comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.